So just a few comments on the nose cam. This is the one I flew that failed, and if you have a look at it, the main difference, although it's a slightly better camera, the pins connecting the camera to the rest of the wiring are much smaller than this alternative here. A much cheaper camera, much cruder, but it's got only the 3 points, the video and the power, because it's not very sophisticated. But those pins are bigger and stronger, and hence it's more reliable. So for my purposes, it's possibly a better bet. So I always fly with what I call a nose cam, because I like to be able to recording it on the ground, so if I lose a drone or anything goes wrong, I've got some feedback as to what happened. So here in Australia, FPV is somewhat prescribed. You've got a regulator that believes that you lack situational awareness, even if you've got an observer standing beside you. I'm not sure if the guys in Ukraine would agree, but that's just the way it is. I lose connection, so you can imagine what would happen if you were actually relying on it to fly the drone, which obviously I wasn't. So I thought you might find it entertaining, so I'm going to put it up. It was cutting out every so often. Was it? Sort of thing I got it. I think so. Well, that's disappointing. That's life. There's only one hit the sand. Yeah, but normally if you put them upside down, it'll do it.
Come out.
It's
tap.